you are hypersensitive to white noise in your environment and becoming fixated on tones that otherwise go unnoticed. It could be related to menopause.
Okay, hold on there, I'm 41.
Okay, or perimenopause.
Sure.
It's also something that I have seen in patients who are dealing with acute stress, anxiety, which is something I'd suggest speaking to a therapist about.
Yeah, okay, look, I understand why you are suggesting these things, but I promise you it is not anxiety or stress. I would like to run some more tests, please. I don't know, nervous system, maybe a brain thing. I would like some referrals, please.